Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are relying on just price action, if you are relying only on price action without considering volume, then you are missing out on one of the most powerful confirmations in the market, okay? Because in this video, we are going to be discussing the price and volume trend indicator, the PVT indicator. All right, we're going to be discussing the PVT indicator in this video. All right, so stick around, hit that like button, and if you are new here, make sure to subscribe for more expert trading insights. Now, this indicator, it's a tool that helps you measure the strength of market trends by analyzing price movements alongside volume. Okay, so what exactly is the P and or rather the price and volume trend indicator? It's a momentum based tool that helps us see whether price movements are backed by real volume. Okay, it adjusts it adjusts it unlike other volume indicators, PVT doesn't just add or subtract total volume. It adjusts it based on how much the price has moved. Okay, so the PVT formula is the previous PVT plus the percentage change in price multiplied by volume. So this means when price moves up on high volume, the PVT line rises sharply, showing strong buying pressure. Then when price drops on high volume, the PVT line falls, signaling strong selling pressure. But if price moves without significant volume, PVT remains relatively flat, warning us that the move might be weak. So now that we understand what PVT is, let us talk about how to use it in trading. There are three key ways traders can apply the price and volume trend indicator. The first is trend confirmation. All right. The first and simplest use of PVT is confirming trends. If price is making higher highs, right? If price is making higher highs and the PVT is also rising, like what we can see here, that tells us that the uptrend is backed by volume, making it more reliable. The first and simplest use of PVT is confirming trends, okay? So you have to take note of that. But what if price is moving up, but the PVT is not following? All right, let's see if we can find such a scenario. If the price is moving up, but the PVT is not following, okay, something like this. You can see that the price was moving up for a bit, right around here, but the PVT was rather moving down. So in this case, the PVT was not following price in this particular scenario. So this is a warning sign that the trend might not be as strong as it looks. And guess what? We can see what happened shortly afterwards. You see, we had a downward move, and then in fact, this is even a sell trend because we can see the formation of lower highs. You can see that formation of lower highs and lower lows. So in that case, it would have been better to stay out of that buy move. All right. So one of the most powerful ways to use PVT is spotting divergences. If price is making new highs, but the PVT is making lower highs, it suggests that buying volume is drying up and the trend could be losing strength. Okay, so this can be a great early signal to prepare for a potential reversal. PVT is also useful for confirming breakouts. If price is breaking through a key level, but PVT is not increasing, the breakout might be weak. But if PVT is climbing strongly along with price, right? If the PVT is climbing strongly along with price, it confirms that volume is supporting the move, giving us extra confidence in the breakout. All right. Let's see. In this particular scenario where we had, price breaking out of a horizontal zone, right? We can see that after the breakout happened, there was an increase in, the PVT went up, showing that this breakout was backed by volume, right? Even though that later on we had a retest of that breakout point and the retest even got into the zone, but eventually we can see that we had a continuation in the direction of the breakout. All right, now before you go applying PVT to your charts, let us talk about some common mistakes that traders make. The first is relying only on PVT. Now, PVT is a great tool, okay, but it works best when combined with other indicators like moving averages, RSI, or trend lines. So do not use it in isolation. All right. Secondly, do not make the mistake of ignoring market context. Volume behavior changes depending on the market environment. All right. So always consider news events, overall trends, and market conditions before making a trade. All right. And then finally, do not make the mistake of misreading divergences. Now, not every divergence means an instant reversal. Okay. Sometimes trends can continue even with a divergence. All right, remember that there is no strategy that is 100% accurate. No strategy guarantees profit. Now, in as much as divergence is a popular strategy and an effective one, it does not mean that every divergence is going to result in an instant reversal. Okay, so take note of that. Sometimes trends can continue even with a divergence. So always look for extra confirmation before taking action. It is very, very important. All right. Now, before we round up, let's just quickly talk about risk management. Irrespective of the strategy you are using, risk management is always paramount. Okay, because it is one thing to know how to analyze your chart and all of that, and it is another thing to know how to manage your risk effectively. If you do not know how to manage your risk, you might be a good technical analyst, you might be a good trader in the aspect of the technicalities and even fundamentals, but if you cannot manage your risk properly, you might end up losing. So do not make the mistake of over leveraging. Do not trade with an amount you cannot afford to lose. Do not use oversized lot sizes. Do not use outrageous lot sizes. Okay, your lot sizes should be calculated based on your account balance, and do not risk more than 1 to 2% of your account balance in a single trade. Okay, so it's very important to take into consideration all these risk management factors. All right, so that is a wrap up for this breakdown of the price and volume trend strategy. Now you know how to use PVT to confirm trends, spot divergences, and filter out weak breakouts. Which PVT strategy are you most excited to test? Let me know in the comments. If you got value from this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more advanced trading strategies. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.